Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
So ito po yung car natin, no? So pinapa-disinfect natin or back to zero. Okay. So ito yung car wash area. Okay. So sila yung nag-disinfect ng mga car. Okay. Sa murang halaga. Ito po yung may-ari. Okay. So ongoing po siya. So as you can see, umuusok. So parang may nagchochongke sa loob. Kunyari lang yun, ha? Okay. So silipin natin saglit sa loob. Anong meron? Yan. Mausap po tayo sa loob. So dinidisinfect nila lahat ng dinidisinfect nila yung laman ng loob. So after car washing, so may pausok na ganyan sa loob. So guys, kitang-kita nyo dito, ano? So dinidisinfect po itong ating sasakyan. So misting using a fog machine. Pero meron silang special na chemical na amoy menthol, pero dinidisinfect niya ang buong kotse. So nakasirculate siya, dapat naka-on ang aircon. Okay, as you can see here, talagang maganda. So yung price hindi ko pa alam, no? So alamin natin, maglalagay na lang ako ng link. Okay guys, maglalagay na lang ako ng link kung saan ginagawa tong disinfection ng ng sakyan and then how much. Okay po, so please subscribe. Okay, don't forget, like my channel, and hope this is good control to all our car. Okay, this is Bin Pat Biker again, and saying stay safe, okay, stay healthy, and always happy. Okay, see you again guys.